Students, welcome in Yash Tutorials. Today's lesson, an ideal ruler, आदर्श राजा छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज, जो हमारे महाराज है, उनके बारे में हम सीखेंगे। मैं पहले ये बता दूं कि बिफोर द फाउंडेशन ऑफ स्वराज, महाराष्ट्र वाज अंडर द डोमिनेशन ऑफ आदिल शाही, सिद्दी, पोर्चुगीज एंड मुगल पावर्स। स्वराज संस्थापन के पहले महाराष्ट्र में आदिल शाही, सिद्दी, पुर्तगाली जैसे परकीय लोगों की सत्ता थी। शिवाजी महाराज स्ट्रगल अगेंस्ट दिस पावर्स। इन्हीं सत्ताओं के साथ शिवाजी महाराज को स्ट्रगल करना पड़ा था। He faced all kinds of adverse circumstances. He founded an independent and sovereign Swaraj. चारों ओर विपरीत परिस्थितियों में स्ट्रगल करके अंत में छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज ने एक स्वतंत्र राष्ट्र का निर्माण किया था। He set up a system for the administration of the स्वराज। अपने स्वराज में उन्होंने अच्छे प्रशासन की रचना की और इस तरह से it turned स्वराज into सुराज। स्वराज में उसकी निर्मित की। A kingdom that served the welfare of all। एक ऐसा राज्य जिसमें सबकी भलाई हो, सबका विकास हो। महाराज क्रिएटेड अ न्यू ऑर्डर विथ हिज कैपेबिलिटी। छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज एक समर्थ राजा थे। द कोर्स ऑफ द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट फॉर द फाउंडिंग ऑफ द स्वराज, ही हिमसेल्फ हैड टू फेस मेनी ग्रेव डेंजर्स। स्वराज्य संस्थापना के लिए महाराज को कई खतरों से खेलना पड़ा था। उनकी पूरी जिंदगी खतरों से भरी हुई थी। इवेंट्स लाइक द मीटिंग विद अफजल खान, the siege of Panhala, the attack on Shahiste Khan, the escape from Agra, all involved a great amount of risk. ऐसी कई घटनाएं हैं जिनमें बहुत बड़ी रिस्क थी। स्वराज्य स्थापना के लिए उन्होंने सारी रिस्क ले ली थी। और इस तरह से शिवाजी महाराज emerged successful in all these events. No harm came to him. Think about it. जरा सोचो उनके जीवन के बारे में, उनके समर्पण के बारे में। शिवाजी महाराज को एस्टैब्लिश स्वराज ड्यू टू हिज लॉयल एंड डेडिकेटेड एसोसिएट्स। स्वराज के लिए अपनी जान तक देने वाले उनके सहकारी और उनका समर्पण, जिसकी बदौलत स्वराज का निर्माण हुआ। महाराज इंस्पायर्ड द पीपल अराउंड हिम टू वर्क फॉर द स्वराज। छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज एक प्रेरणादायी व्यक्तित्व थे। उनके आजू बाजू में जो लोग थे, सबको उनसे इंस्पिरेशन मिलती थी। His organizational skill was unparalleled. With his skill, he drew around himself brave people who were also extremely loyal. His close associates of Maharaj performed their duty, even by risking their own lives. अपनी जान खतरे में डाल के ऐसे लोगों ने स्वराज के प्रति अपनी ड्यूटी निभाई थी। There are many instances of this in the founding of the Swaraj. Jiwa Mahala, who killed Bada Sayyid at a critical moment during the meeting with Afzal Khan. दूसरा है शिवा काशिद, who crossed the siege of Panhalgarh in the disguise of Shivaji Maharaj. Baji Prabhu Deshpande, who blocked the advances of the enemy on the way to Vishalgarh. Murar Baji Deshpande, who defended the fort of Purandar. Tanaji Malusare, who sacrificed his life while conquering Srinagar. Hiroji Bharjan and Madari Mehtar, who risked their lives during the escape of Maharaj from Agra, etc. इन सभी ने अपनी जान निछावर करके स्वराज के लिए महाराज took great care of his associates. महाराज ने भी उनकी अच्छी तरह से केयर की, उनको सम्मान किया। For example, Kanoji Jethe was associated with Maharaj in the work of the Swaraj from the very beginning. When the aging Kanoji fell ill, Maharaj told him not to neglect his medicines or treatment on any account. इस तरह से महाराज अपनी प्रजा का केयरिंग करते थे। While establishing the Swaraj, Maharaj had to constantly struggle against his enemies. शत्रुओं के साथ हमेशा स्ट्रगल करना जिंदगी का एक पार्ट बन चुका था। His subjects suffered due to enemy invasions. जब शत्रुओं के आक्रमण से प्रजा सफर करती थी, ऐसे टाइम महाराज used to take utmost care to protect the rayat. At the time of Shahiste Khan's campaign, Maharaj warned Deshmukh of the Rohida Valley not to fail in his duty towards the rayat. He told Deshmukh to visit every village and shipped people to a safe place down the ghats. देशमुख लोगों को उनको वार्निंग दिया था कि गांव के लोगों को शत्रुओं के आक्रमण के दौरान सुरक्षित जगह शिफ्ट करें. He strictly told him not to delay even for a moment. He further warned the Deshmukh that if he did not thus take care of the riot, the Mughal army would take the people prisoner, and then it would be seen as the Deshmukh's doing. और ऐसे टाइम देशमुख को जिम्मेदार माना जाएगा. महाराज also saw to it that the soldiers did not in any way cause any harm to the riot. Policy regarding the army. छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की आर्मी के प्रति पॉलिसी क्या थी? Maharaj maintained a strict discipline in the army. He was particular about paying the salaries of the army in time. आर्मी के सोल्जर्स की सैलरीज टाइम पे हो. He made arrangements to pay the salaries of soldiers in cash. उनकी सैलरी उनको टाइम पे मिले. In various kingdoms in medieval India and elsewhere there was a system of making payments to soldiers in the form of jagirs. Maharaj set this practice aside. महाराज ने जागीर के अलावा सोल्जर की सैलरी कैश में देने की प्रैक्टिस चालू. There was a strict order to the army that any valuable collected during the campaigns in enemy territories were to be deposited with the government. आक्रमण के दौरान जो भी वैल्यूएबल चीजें मिलेगी तो वो सरकारी तिजोरी में डिपॉजिट की जाएगी. Soldiers were honored for their bravery in a campaign. कैंपेन में सोल्जर ने विशेष काम किया हो, शूरता दिखाई हो, ऐसे सोल्जर का सम्मान किया जाएगा. He looked after the maintenance of the families of soldiers who died in battle. स्वराज के लिए जिन सैनिकों ने जान तक दे दिए, ऐसे सैनिकों के फैमिली की देखभाल सरकार करेगी. He took care of the wounded soldiers. जख्मी सोल्जर्स की देखभाल अच्छी तरह से की जाएगी. इवन शत्रुओं के सोल्जर्स जो सरेंडर हुए हैं उनकी भी he treated well the enemy soldiers who had surrendered themselves for who had been captured. क्या आपको मालूम है, if war broke out during the period of sowing, growing, reaping of crops, there would be no limit to the loss of farmers. युद्ध की वजह से या आक्रमण की वजह से किसानों का बहुत नुकसान होता था. Not only would the movement of army interfere with the work of sowing, but the soldiers would cut off and take away standing crops or would destroy them. They would rob the houses of family or farmers. जी हाँ, जो आक्रमक थे वो किसानों के घर भी लूटते थे. शिवाजी महाराज had ordered the officers to prohibit the soldiers from such actions. छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज ने ऐसा कुछ ना करने की चेतावनी दी थी अपने सैनिकों को. The letter written by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in 1674 CE to his military officers is very important in this regard. It shows how minutely Shivaji Maharaj thought about the discipline in the army. If you harass and trouble the subjects belonging to different caste by robbing them of their grains, fodder, grass, vegetables, etc., those subjects would leave their houses and migrate elsewhere. अगर किसानों से अनाज, उनका घर-दार लूट के उनको तकलीफ दे दी तो हमें और बाहर के मुगल आक्रमकों में कुछ फर्क नहीं रह जाएगा. क्या फर्क रहेगा? तो many of them would starve to death. It would be as if you are more atrocious than the Mughals. There would be great uproar. A policy of tolerance. Next point है सहिष्णुता के बारे में उनकी पॉलिसी. A policy of tolerance. Maharaj had to struggle against his enemies, the Adil Shah, the Mughals, and the Siddhis. They were Islamic powers. While Maharaj struggled against them, he considered the Muslims in the Swaraj as his own subject. At the time of the meeting with Afzal Khan, Siddhi Ibrahim was a trusted servant in his army. Siddhi Ibrahim उनके आर्मी में उनका एक trustworthy servant था during the campaign of Afzal Khan. उसके बाद सिद्दी हिलाल was a सरदार in the army of Maharaj. दौलत खान was an important officer in the navy of the Swaraj. इस तरह कई मुस्लिम सरदार भी महाराज के सहकारी थे. Maharaj followed a tolerant religious policy. In the enemy territories that he conquered, he continued the facilities that had been given to the Muslim places of worship. मुस्लिम वर्शिप प्लेसेस को जो फैसिलिटी जो सुविधा मिलती थी उसके पहले वो उन्होंने कंटिन्यू रखी. His contemporary historian Khafi Khan writes about the tolerant religious policy of Maharaj. Shivaji had framed strict rules for his soldiers that during the campaigns they should not harm a mosque. आर्मी के लिए स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स बनाए थे. कैंपेन के दौरान किसी भी मस्जिद को किसी भी प्रकार का हार्म ना हो. If they came in possession of a copy of the Holy Quran, they should hand over the same with reverence to a Muslim. कैंपेन के दौरान अगर किसी को होली कुरान का बुक मिलता है तो वह किसी मुस्लिम को हैंड ओवर करे रिस्पेक्ट के साथ. समझे? नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है द इंस्पिरेशन ऑफ फ्रीडम. The efforts that Maharaj made to establish the Swaraj have a special value. It's the value of freedom. He aimed at establishing and maintaining an independent and sovereign existence that did not accept the dominance of any other power. अपनी प्रजा स्वतंत्र हो, किसी भी दूसरी सत्ता का प्रभाव हमारे रैयत के ऊपर ना हो. While struggling against the foreign powers, Maharaj inspired others to for freedom. Example: when Chhatrasal, who was in the service of the Mughals, came to see Maharaj, Maharaj inspired him to create an independent kingdom in Bundelkhand. उसके बाद है greatness of Maharaj's work. Maharaj established a Swaraj while fighting against many enemies. This action itself proves that he was a pioneer of a new era. इसलिए उनको युग पुरुष कहा जाता है. Many other noble qualities are found in his personality. उनके व्यक्तित्व में बहुत सारी क्वालिटीज है. महाराज was very intelligent. He had mastered many arts. He was conversant with many languages and scripts. The teaching of his parents towards the establishment of Swaraj and ethics were deeply instilled in his mind. There was a blend of character and strength, nobility and valor in his personality. He had innumerable qualities like leadership, management, foresight, political diplomacy, effective policy about regional and military administration, commitment to truth and justice, attitude of equality, visualization of future activities, the skill of seeing his planned ventures through, rising over the calamities without giving up, alertness, vigilance and so on. इतनी बहुत सारी क्वालिटीज उनमें थी. He used to punish those severely who would misbehave with women. जो महिलाओं के प्रति गलत बर्ताव करे उनको सीवियर पनिशमेंट थी. He used to take care of all sections of the society like farmers, craftsmen, soldiers, traders, merchants, etc. He used to harbor the same respect for people of other religions that he had for people of his own religion, without any discrimination. किसी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन के अलावा. He even established a family bonds with them. He brought back into Swadharma, their original religion, persons who had converted to another religion through there was no opposition to such a reconversion at that time. जिनका धर्म परिवर्तन हो चुका था उनको वापस स्वधर्म में ले आना उन्होंने किया. At that time, there was opposition on religious grounds to crossing the seas. जमाने में समुद्र को क्रॉस करके ट्रैवल करना मना था. शिवाजी महाराज ने ऐसे जमाने में सी पोर्ट बनवाए. Yet he built sea ports like Sindhudurg and created a navy. अपनी खुद की नेवी भी बनवाई. This means that he had made preparation for countering foreign invasions that came from the sea. He became the ruler of Swaraj officially through his coronation. रायगढ़ के किले के ऊपर उनका बड़ी धूमधाम से राज्याभिषेक हुआ. राजा बने. His greatness was not confined to the quality of facing calamities bravely and fearlessly. He wanted to have an ethical, qualitative base to the Swaraj. That is why he would give orders even regarding minor issues along with the important ones. The order that prohibited soldiers from taking vegetables from the fields of the peasants by force is exemplary from this point of view. कोई भी सोल्जर किसी किसान से फोर्सफुली सब्जी नहीं ले सकता था. The restrictions on the cutting of trees enforced by him are also noteworthy. Trees cutting, पेड़ तोड़ना, उसके ऊपर बैन था. He had ordered that the garbage on the fort should be burnt in an allotted space without dumping it elsewhere. कचरा इधर उधर फेंकने से अच्छा है एक जगह जमा करो और वह इकट्ठा करके बर्न करो, जलाओ. And vegetables should be grown on its ash. It becomes clear that this fact that he would pay close attention to the minutest details while establishing Swaraj. ऐसी कई छोटी छोटी बातों के ऊपर छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज का ध्यान होता था. He was not just a warrior, but also a sculptor who created a new, independent and cultured society. His greatness is comprehensive. Maharaj was a great source of inspiration. Afterwards, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज हम सबको स्फूर्ति स्थान है, हम सबके स्फूर्ति स्थान है. In his struggle for equality, Mahatma Jyotirao Phule described in his Pavadas the greatness of Shivaji Maharaj. Lokmanya Tilak brought about national awakening through the medium of Shiva Jayanti celebrations. जैसे आप जानते हो, लोकमान्य तिलक ने शिव जयंती उत्सव चालू किया. महात्मा फुले ने शिवाजी महाराज के ऊपर एक पवाड़ा लिखा. A part of it is given here. उनके पवाड़े के लिए ऐसे लाइन्स, कई लाइन्स ऐसे हैं. शिवाचा गजर, जयनामाचा झेंडा रोविला, क्षेत्राचा मेळा, मावळ्यांचा शिकार केला. माते पायी ठेवी, डोई गर्व नाही काडीचा, आशीर्वाद घेई आईचा, अलाबाला घेई आवडता होतो श्रीचा. पवाडा गातो शिवाजीचा, कुरवाडी भूषण पवाडा गातो भोसल्यांचा, छत्रपति शिवाजीचा. हाँ. उसके बाद एक तमिल पोएट ने उनकी महानता के ऊपर एक पोएम लिखी. The great Tamil poet Subramaniam Bharati has written a poem about an imaginary incident in which Shivaji Maharaj talks to his associates. Vishwakavi Rabindranath Tagore has written a long poem on Maharaj. Tagore sees his efforts to found Swaraj as efforts for realizing a noble cause. Sir Jadunath Sarkar has praised his achievement in his book Shivaji and his times. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru has said that Maharaj did not belong to Maharashtra alone. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru कहते थे छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र के नहीं थे. He belonged to the whole Indian nation. He was a symbol of many virtues, more especially of love of country. He was an ideal ruler and a source of inspiration. Shivaji Maharaj was a great nation hero. शिवाजी महाराज एक आइडियल राज्यकर्ता थे और हम सबके लिए एक इंस्पिरेशन का सोर्स थे और है. हम सब मिलकर उनको शत शत प्रणाम करते हैं. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स. लेट्स गो थ्रू द क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर सेशंस.